President, can I ask ito muna sila, no? General Gamboa,
Your Honor,
hindi ka man nag-chief ng Davao, but tama na dumaan ka rin sa Davao sa career mo? At ano highest ang position mo po dun sa Davao?
Yes, sir. I was the official spokesman of the regional police regional office 11 for 2 years.
Regional.
Yes.
How about the city level?
Wala, sir. I was never assigned the
Okay.
city officer.
How about General Sinas? Sir, you were never chief, di ba? So, dumaan po ba kayo sa career niyo sa Davao City?
Never, sir.
Never. Okay. How about si General Karamat? Hindi, sa mic, sir, para nakarecord. Never? Sa career niyo?
No, Mr. Chairman, sir.
So only General Gamboa sa regional level. What's the pleasure of the Senator De Lima?
just one or two sentences, Your Honors.
Yeah, please, go ahead.
We all heard from the horse's mouth that there are indeed death squads and pointed to certain former PNP chiefs or chiefs of Davao. These are very clear. Davao death squad to liquidate criminals, suspected criminals. Inducing, encouraging, and prodding people to kill directly or indirectly is not part of the duty of an executive official, whether it is mayor or president. Malinaw po, yung Davao Death Squad andyan. Marami pong sinabi dyan tungkol sila Matobato and Las Cañas. And Colonel Garma has confirmed that there is such a group, only that they are covered by code of silence. Hindi po madali talaga ang kumuha ng mga pag-aamin sa mga police officials na sila ang mga inutusan para pumatay. Ang dami pong mga dinarake sila Matobato and Las Cañas tungkol sa mga specific cases of killings na yung order either pinapadaan kina Sonny Benaventura or kay Las Cañas, and at times, even from then Mayor
Mr. Chair.
Duterte himself.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good Senator.
Yes, you have the floor, you have the floor. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The former senator is jumping into conclusion. Let the committee decide whether indeed there is an existence of the Davao Death Squad.
Senator Estrada, may I
Yes.
just
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, Mr. President.
one statement. Kung lahat man ito, kung totoo, palayan niyo ako ng kaso. May korte. At sinasabi ninyo na babakit